Hi friends, if you are preparing for FSO or FSSAI, whatever related to food science and technology, this channel will provide you the notes. In this video, we are going to learn the basic definitions related to food science and technology. First definition is food. In this world, every living organism needs the food. Anything and food is defined as the anything in this world, solid or liquid, that should be edible, and after digestion that should supply nutrients to our body. And the second definition is food technology. The principles of food science are applied for the processing and the preservation of food. The definition of food chemistry. Food chemistry deals with the composition, structure, and properties of food and their components. In the next slide, you are going to see the food fortification and biofortification. The food fortification is defined as it is the process where deliberately nutrients are added to the food in a small quantity to improve the quality of the diet. Biofortification. In this process, breeding or genetic modification is done to improve the nutrient content in the crops. Next slide, we are going to see the definition of food additive and the definition of fermented food. The food additives are defined process where non-nutritive substances are added deliberately to food in a small quantity to improve its flavor, texture, and storage properties of the food. And the next definition is the fermented food. The fermented food is defined as it is produced by the action of bacteria or mold which act on carbohydrates and proteins, and these bacteria and mold make the complex carbohydrates and protein structures into the simpler form, and it eats the pre-digested food. In the next slide, we are going to see the definition of food science and the food poisoning. The definition of food science is defined as the study of physical, chemical, and microbiological properties of food. And the definition of food poisoning, it is results by the ingestion of contaminated food with the toxins or pathogens, and sometimes it causes death.